Good morning everyone and welcome to Uni's daily update on Bitcoin. I hope you're all doing very well as always. We're still within this range at the moment. It's just totally range bound at the moment. But we're still going to update the chart because as always there are some possible trades everywhere here in this range. But first of all, normally the sound should be working well. Let me just double check this really quick. Yes, it's working well. Perfect. So we are good to start. Good morning, mate. I'm from Brazil. That's nice. Well, welcome here. Never saw you before, I think. I'm not sure. Well, welcome here if you're new, and if you're not, well, good morning to you. So first of all, let's go on this lower time frame chart here. I'm gonna remove this really quick. Perfect. Let's take this and place this here, and we can now simply go on the levels on exo charts there. So 51 130, so this perfect. And then we'll have no any other ones. Then TPO's 51082, so let's take this TPO 51082 like this, and then we have a new DNPOC 51138. Oops, not the right template. Good. All right. So that brings us with, well, one resistance, one support, to be honest with you. And that's it, really. Okay, otherwise, we can look for the top and the bottom of the range here. So we can, of course, put this fixed range. I'm just going to go on the 30 minutes. I prefer it's a bit more accurate like this. Here and here. Perfect. So the thing is, really, well, this value alone is path control a bit annoying at the moment. Anyway, let's not think about this at the moment. So the first real support right now we have is simply here this DNPOC really plus the TPO. Just gonna remove this. So DNPOC plus the TPO here, that will be the first possible support. Okay. Well, I would be aware of this value alone, this path control. It's not something I'm going to really fully forget, but we are in at the moment, so it's not really useful, to be honest with you. So just really, in case we have to go more down, this will be the first support, really. We have a swing failure pan, we have some liquidity here, we have some few support below, so it's pretty cool. If we manage to break through this, we're simply going to look for the bottom of the range to be hit. Okay, and if we have to break this to the downside, we can simply look, for the single print we have below. Single print, as always, the top is acting as support. If we get acceptance into the single print, we expect it to be filled, and so if we fill it, well, we're going to go to the bottom of it, and so to go to 50,000. To add a bit more confidence, we can simply add the daily level at 49,700. Simple as that, really. Now, if we manage to reclaim, well, you can see here there is a brand new daily plus the value high level of the range. So well, coming around 52,000 to 300. Yes, and yeah, if we start breaking this, we're simply going to look for the top of the range, really, with, the naked session path control we added yesterday. So yeah, that's it, really. Okay, these are the targets we have within the range, so this is a resistance, really. We can still take this high, okay, go a bit above, take this high, so this is a resistance. The next one, this is really within the range, okay, well, yeah, within the range. And next we have, well, this and this. That's it, really. 2 turrets above, 2 turrets below. Just set your alert. I'm gonna do that. By the way, I'm gonna do this now. Resistance 1, this is done, and so support 1. Good. And so when it rings, we'll just come to the chart, read the order flow, and see if there is some good data in this. Now, so we are good with the levels. Okay, if we break through, by the way, if we break above here, if we break to the upside, of course, we'll have a swing through pound or a failed auction possible. So swing through pound and come back down directly, close below the previous high, get the good short reaction on the order flow, and we manage to get a continuation in the case. Otherwise, failed auction, we get a break to the upside, we really break through, we get a fake breakout, if you can say that. We still get a breakout, we spend some time above, we start forming something really bearish as always, and then we come back down. So something really bearish on the order flow. If now we get the breakout, we get the real breakout, so a really big volume, no absorption, if there are some longs coming in, all of this really, well, we can simply look for this value high level that is coming around 53,700. This is a target if we break down, this is a target if we break up a minimum. Okay, now of course there are some more targets above and below, but for now I'm going to remain with this. I'm not going to make it too complex. Now with the waves, I have done an update yesterday, so really go and check this out so you can understand more about the probabilities, what we can look for here. Just maybe I can, well, say it in one sentence to be fair. Well, we have more chance to go between the 38.2 and the 50%. Why? Simply because the wave 2 was 38.2. So smaller the wave 2 is, bigger the wave 4 gonna be. Now, is it possible to still make a small wave 4? Absolutely, yes. We can absolutely stay with this small wave 4 and bounce from here, retrace less than 23.6 and get a continuation and make this wave 5. It's absolutely something possible. Now, normally in terms of probability, we have more chance to go into here. Are we going to go there? Well, only time can tell. That's why I'm training this range until it breaks to really see if we're going to do this, because the thing is the RSI went really low already, you can see here, for the wave 4. So we can absolutely stop with something really small and not manage really to reach this target. This is really something to be aware of. So normally we have more chance to go there, but due to the RSI, we might not get it. So that's why, well, it's better to trade the range until it breaks to see, well, to just trade the range really, and if we have to break it down, we will short from the top, and so this is pretty cool. And if we rise from here, well, we are long from the bottom, right? So this is pretty perfect, not gonna lie. In terms of smaller waves, okay, not gonna cover more about the medium time frame really. In terms of smaller waves, well, well, this is what I told you yesterday. We can be in an ABC flat, in a double EXY. If this is a double EXY, in that case, we don't have 5 waves here to the downside. We have a triple wave. So for now, we have a triple wave. So, well, I'm taking this double EXY for the moment. Okay, we did got a bounce from the 1-to-1 extension, the exact 1-to-1 extension this time, not from a front run. Well, it depends what we're going to create next year. If we have to form a 5 waves, well, we can look for a wave 2, wave 1 route on this one. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that case, we can look for a bigger ABC zigzag to make a longer triple wave. Or if we start to break above, we can look simply for a bigger ABC zigzag to make still a longer, bigger ABC flat, by the way. And otherwise, an impulsive, so not an ABC, but a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive to the upside, as these are the same smaller waves. So yeah, nothing crazy to be fair. I'm just looking for a possible bigger, WXY. As normally, we still have more chance to go more down and hit normally minimum the 23.16. That will be cool. Now, well, it's possible that we don't. So that's why it's better to trade the range until it breaks. Otherwise, we can do a WXY, X, and Z. And all the patterns, really, all the bigger corrections. So for example, here A, B, C flat, for example, to manage to go more down. Everything, even a triangle here, to be fair, will be valid. No. No, I don't like this. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for with the wave right now. Nothing crazy. If I have something better, I'm gonna let you know. But for now, yeah, this is what I have. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you have some questions. If you have some questions, let me know. Otherwise, we're good really for today. If you want to get some live updates on Bitcoin, well, feel free to join as always. We've got some really good trades. For example, on Link, on NVDA. This is absolutely crazy, that one also. We have done 18%. Link, say, I mean, this one went a bit below, but it's fine. Rune from the first target for the moment, not right here. Ajax, I mean, this is absolutely crazy, really. This one is almost a 50% rise. This is absolutely crazy. CKB also, it did got a bounce from the top of the target at the moment. So we have a large amount of trades, to be fair, on the outside at the moment. This is really nice. And yeah, I really hope you're following and making money from this. Well, this is pretty cool. This is really nice. But anyway, if you want to get live updates on Bitcoin, well, you can simply join the Discord server. It's absolutely free. You can go here into the Mateos update, and you know exactly what I'm looking for when I'm looking. I mean, well, what I'm looking for really, like the time. You have the telling you the data, all of this really. For example, here a bull CVD on the order flow, but I'm waiting for the MCR reaction to open to take a longer moment. I'm switching to this bottom. You can see we're taking the low now, this bottom right here, now the price bottom right here for the bottom of the channel. So we did got a touch in there, we did got a bit of a bounce. For me, this was not bullish, so I waited. I said clearly I'm not longing this. I'm gonna wait for either a retest, either a new low to be made. And so here come the retest next. I'm giving you the retest target. So we got the retest. This is a retest target. And from here, I'm telling you, I'm going along if there is an MCR reaction or whatever. You just have to learn this on the website. And so from here, we get the MCR reaction. And so we did got the bounce from the retest target. So you will not long the exact bottom, but who cares really? You're still in, you still make profit. The most important, as always, is to make money. And after this, take profit one at the value low. So yeah, pretty cool. And all of this for absolutely free. Just need to know a bit how to read the order flow. Anyway, on this being said, I don't see any questions. So I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care of you. And do we have some news before to end? 27? No, absolutely not. It's not now. Anyway, have a brilliant day. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.